Alright, this is part 4.
I know how to do it now.
This is part 4 of the what again? The second game. And it's part 4. And for some weird reason, the last one comes up and then stops recording. So this is kind of a crappy camera.
Split.
Someone tried to do it. Have your ball, Daddy.
Go real hard. Let it bounce. That's it. Almost. Good job, buddy.
Well, not funny. Whoa! That pin was
spinning.
Wow, that pin was flying.
Yeah, it was.
That pin was like bouncing and flying.
Oh man, I'm buying terrible now.
Wow, you just killed a pin.
Oh, start a new game.
Dad, you just killed a pin. Alright, so that's it for game 2. And sorry for the lashing comes up on the phone because, it stops the video from recording. So we have one more game, but we're not going to videotape it because it makes too much videos. So, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching us bowling in Wildfire lanes. So with that being said, that's it.